Hello friends, I am Kshitij and welcome you to my channel instituterank.com। तो दोस्तों आज मैं आप सभी को बताने वाला हूँ द चीपेस्ट IAS कोचिंग इन भुवनेश्वर। सो आवर रैंक 1 कोचिंग इज योजना IAS। So Yojana IAS is one of the best coaching for English medium and Hindi medium students both. If you want to study from Hindi medium, then you can choose Yojana IAS, and also if you want to study from English medium. It has a specialized faculties. For all the subject you will get all the study materials, mock test, test series and everything. You will get all the facilities and it is also available in both online and offline mode. So once visit to its website, you will get all the information about Yojana IAS. Now let's move to rank 2 coaching is Plutus IAS. So Plutus IAS is one of the best coaching which will make you prepare for UPSC civil service exam. As it is available on both online and offline mode, Plutus IAS has the best faculty members team. It has all the experienced and knowledgeable faculty members. Plutus IAS also provide you all the study materials, all the notes, and also conduct mock test regularly, which is very important for any exam preparation. Because mock test help you learn your level of preparation. So mock test is very important. And doubt session is also specially conducted where you can ask all your doubts. The faculty member of Plutus IAS is very supportive. Their way of teaching is very good. They make your every concept clear. And they also provide you very good notes. So if you study concentrated in this coaching, then you will be able to crack IAS with good rank. IAS is one of the most toughest exam in India. But Plutus IAS has given best result in IAS. More than 50% student of Plutus IAS has cracked the exam with good rank last year. And the rating of a student for Plutus IAS is 4.8 out of 5. So if you want to study in your best coaching, then you can go for Plutus IAS. Now our next rank 3rd coaching is Kautilya IAS. So Kautilya IAS is one of the best coaching specialized for judiciary civil services. If you want to do preparation for judiciary civil service, then you must choose Kautilya IAS. Kautilya IAS is a term of experience and knowledgeable faculty members. Their teaching way is very unique. They are focused to judiciary civil service. All the study materials are prepared in very specialized manner. They gives you very good notes and good series which will help you to prepare in best way. And the result of Kautilya IAS of previous year is very great. So our last rank 4 coaching is the Hindu Zone. The Hindu Zone is one of the best coaching according in India which will give you any of the coaching according to your wish. Now you are thinking how? So let me tell you, it is a platform where all the best online and offline coaching of India is registered. So if you want to study, then you can just go to the Hindu Zone and there you will find video lectures. And now you are thinking, if you will study from video lectures, then how will you clarify your doubts? So let me tell you, there is another option. Doubt clearing session is conducted every week where you can clarify all your doubts, and all the study materials and notes are also provided. And one specialty of the Hindu Zone is also provide counseling session, free counseling session which is going to be helpful for all the students. So thank you friends for watching my full video, and if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe our channel for more updates related to government exams.